have gathered here today because something truly awful has happened. People have dropped dead.
What? How could this have happened?
Erosion has stopped working. I have brought in a specialist to explain the situation and its unfortunate future consequences.
You see, water usually carries nutrients and particles from point A to point B, but this phenomena has stopped occurring very recently. Rivers are running perfectly clear, and fish are dying constantly. It's tragic.
This will affect the trout population.
The Grand Canyon will grow no deeper. The rain will no longer wash our streets clean.
Well, can we fix it? Is there just a solution to it?
I believe my colleague here may have the solution.
We must restart the laws of physics.
And how must we do that?
Well, we must travel to the center of the multiverse.
This is my guide to the multiverse. It will guide you on your journey to restart the laws of physics. You just have to follow the map. Mr. President, is this even possible? Would a group like this even be able to accomplish it? Would anyone in the world be able to accomplish this? I have talked with them. They are trustworthy.
It's simple, really. We just have to get from the quantum time wormhole here, over here to the particle time accelerator, and down here to the interdimensional wormhole. You should trust me. I was diagnosed with 10 PhDs in science from Stanford and Harvard, and 1 in fly fishing.
Wow. Diagnosed?
Officially.
Wow.
Clyde? A weapon? Blair?
This is awfully suspicious. Whoa!
It chose you.
It's meant to be. By the way, I don't think we've been introduced before. I'm Blair.
I'm Clyde.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, we should save this page.
Oh, it's so dark in here.
Yeah, I mean, I guess portals do that. Did you?
You never know what could be lurking in the dark out here. Wield your weapon. You see, saltation is when all of the little particles towards the bottom of the river, they brush along the bottom of the river and move more particles along with them.
Like when you wipe your hand on the bottom of a car and the Cheerios move all around?
Exactly. I think we're stuck in a quantum wart.
We gotta get out of here before the beings get us.
Did you hear something? Blair. She's dead.
Clyde?
Blair, you're alive!
Some good plot armor.
You see, usually, the water on the sides of the rivers erodes away the most. But now, the water isn't doing that. We have to solve this, and soon. We've entered the portal.
Strange.
Now that the rivers are stationary, it's gotten too predictable. Science isn't supposed to be predictable. We survived the first leg of our journey.
That's good. You know, along with this other awful news, there's just something that's been on my mind lately, you know?
What is it, Blair?
Clyde, did you hear they stopped making socks?
They stopped making socks?
Yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous.
That's bonkers.
Oh, do you hear that music?
I thought it was just me. I'm just the background music. It's a good thing I have photographic memory.
Yeah, sorry about losing that book.
That's fine. I got the map stored right here in my brain. Quantum lightning. Fried like a trout, dead for sure.
Darn good plot armor.
Blair, are you okay?
Yeah. Plot armor saved me.
Caves like these are formed when water picks up the acids from the ground and it reacts with this limestone to just melt away the walls. But now that all of it has stopped, no more caves will form again.
We gotta stop this.
We have to.
So, Clyde, I realize we don't really know each other that well. What do you like to do in your free time?
I tend to go fly fishing and I collect thick water. What do you do in your free time, Blair?
Oh, well, I mean, it's not much. I like making cuckoo clocks.
Maybe once we get out of here, I can take you fly fishing with me.
I'd love to do that. Speaking of, like, water-related activities, I don't think I'm drinking any water.
Blair! Blair, how could you do this? I was going to teach you how to fly fish.
Oh. I think I'm alright. I'm still quite parched, but got that armor still.
You're alive!
Yeah!
We're entering the quantum membrane. This weird stuff going on, it's messed up the electrons in the H2O, and it's affecting so many other elements too. Carbon, helium, hydrogen. It's affecting even oxygen. Blair, what's your favorite element?
Oh, wow. I'd probably have to say tea. For trout, of course.
Oh, of course. You know, my favorite element probably has to be water.
Classic.
We've made it to the final trial.
Wow.
We finally made it.
I want to show you something really quick.
That was so cool!
Right?
plot armor.
Of course.
Should we get out of here?
Yes.
First, let's reset physics.
Here it is. We did it?
We did it! We did it! Yay! We have to go back and tell them we did it.
You have saved the world. Thank you for traveling on such a dangerous journey to restart physics.
It was nothing.
Yeah, and on the way back, we happened to find the perpetrator. It was crawling through the vents.
The vents of time.
What do I do?
Buster! Puppy!
Congratulations, Blair and Clyde. You've saved the world.
Woo!
We did it!
When I was falling, changing me. Open was hard for those things. Always doing what I want. Crazy, crazy, crazy night. Lost is all you live the rest. You know everyone was found out. This was my step, big mistake. Bad entertainment in night. I found back out. Do you know without this? They still lighting, back in
I mean, it was crazy. I never expected that any of that would happen, and I'm glad that I made a friend as well.
The whole journey just really taught me that life is precious. I had to watch someone I grew to care about die like 4 times, and I'm just glad she's still here.
It was only time, baby. I am fantastic you. I will not be found down. But thank you. This is true. This is true.
No
No caves, no trash.